Dear learners, we will see the drugs from laxative class, castor oil and isabgol. The objectives of this topic today is the student should know about the monographs of castor oil and isabgol. Castor oil. The synonym of castor oil is Oleum racini. In Marathi, this castor oil is also known as Erantel. Biologically, castor oil is a fixed oil obtained by the cold expression of the seeds of Ricinus communis, which belongs to family Euphorbitaceae. Castor oil possesses the organoleptic characters as color is pale yellow to colorless liquid with nauseating odor, and taste is first it is blunt, afterwards slightly acrid, and finally nauseating. Solubility: this oil is clearly soluble in alcohol. Chemically, castor oil contains triglycerides, 80% of ricinoleic acid, isoricinoleic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid and isostearic acid. Ricinoleic acid is known as vitamin F. Identification test of castor oil. Very first test, it mixes with half its volume of light petroleum ether 40 to 60 degrees centigrade and partly soluble in its two volumes. The second test is highly important for castor oil. That is, if you mix castor oil in equal volume of alcohol, it shows a clear liquid. Even on cooling at 0 degree centigrade and storage for 3 hours, the liquid remains clear. Castor oil is used as a mild purgative. It is a famous lubricating agent. Ricinoleic acid is used as contraceptive in creams and jellies. Hydrogenated oil is used as ointment base. Second drug, that is isabgol. Isabgol belongs to synonym as a Ispaghula or simply as isabgol. Biologically, these are the dried seeds obtained from Plantago ovata, belongs to family Plantagenaceae. The morphological characters of this isabgol: the color of the seeds are pinkish grey or brown, odor is none, taste is mucilaginous and blunt, size 10 to 35 mm in length to 1 to 1.75 mm in width, shape is ovate and chymiform. Chemically, isabgol contains mucilage, pentasone and aldobionic acid. It also contains fixed oils, proteins, xylose, arabinose, galactouronic acid and rhamnose are the products of hydrolysis of pentasone. Chemical test for isabgol. Very first test, with ruthenium red, mucilage will give pink color. Very second, to dry seeds, add a drop of thionin test solution, wait for 10 minutes, wash with alcohol, mucilage turns to violet red in color. Very third test, to dry seeds, add 1 drop of Chinese ink, mucilage shows transparent, spherically dilated fragments on black background. Very fourth test is swelling factor test. In this, 1 gram of seed is added in 25 ml measuring cylinder with 20 ml of water. The swelling factor measured is 10 to 13. Isabgol is used as a laxative, demulcent, emollient in the treatment of chronic constipation, amoebic and bacillary dysentery. Isabgol is also used as a poultice for rheumatic pains. Mucilage of seed is used in the preparation of tablet and also as a stabilizer. The preparation of ice creams. In summary of this lecture, what we have learned, we have seen about castor oil, where from we are getting it. It is obtained by cold expression of the seeds of Ricinus communis, belongs to family Euphorbitaceae, which contains a triglyceride of fatty acids used as purgative. Also we have seen about isabgol, that isabgol consists of dried seeds of Plantago ovata, belongs to family Plantagenaceae, contains mucilage, pentasone and aldoionic acid and is used as laxative. The quiz question under this topic is, very first, castor oil belongs to family Euphorbitaceae, Leguminosae, Solanaceae, Umbelliferae, and our correct answer is Euphorbitaceae. Very second quiz, castor oil is used as purgative, carminative, antidiabetic, antiviral, and our correct answer is purgative. Very third quiz, castor contains alkaloids, glycosides, volatile oils, fixed oils, and correct answer is fixed oils. Very next quiz question is, isabgol belongs to family Euphorbitaceae, Plantagenaceae, Solanaceae, Umbelliferae, and correct answer is Plantagenaceae. Very fifth quiz question, isabgol is used as laxative, carminative, antidiabetic, antiviral, and correct answer is laxative. Very next question, isabgol contains mucilage, glycosides, volatile oils, fixed oils, and our correct answer